Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automate your client workflow in ClickUp without paying for premium? In this video, I'll show you how to use the free automation triggers and custom fields to track client stages. First, let's set up custom fields. In your client project or folder, go to Settings and add new custom fields. Create a drop-down field named Client Stage with options like Lead, Onboarding, Active, and Completed. You can also add fields for contract value next, follow-up date, or priority. Now for automation. In the free plan, you get 100 automations per month. Click Automate in your Views toolbar. You can create a simple trigger. For example, when a task's client stage field changes to onboarding, then automatically assign it to your project manager and set a due date for 1 week later. Another useful one. When a task is moved into a specific status column like Approved, then automatically change the client stage custom field to Active. These automations help move clients through your pipeline without manual updates, and that's it. By combining custom fields with free automations, you can build a smart, self-managing client system in ClickUp. If you set up a client stage automation, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.